What's up, everyone? Ever since I pulled the baffles out of the 13 Ultra Limited there, can't hear the stock radio and speakers. I mean, even with the baffles when they were in, it sucked, but now can't hear them. So today, we're going to try to fix that with new speakers and an amp. Let's hit the intro and get into it. I got some goodies in. Like I said, I'm gonna replace the front speakers on the bike, and actually I'm gonna replace the battery. I forgot to throw that in. I don't know how old the battery's in the bike, but I've had this the third summer I've had the bike, and I haven't replaced the battery, and one that's in there looks pretty bad. So got this off of Dennis Kirk, I think 130 something bucks. Then been hearing a lot about Hog Tunes, so got on their website, ordered the one for my bike. It's just two front speakers and an amp, all included. Allegedly, I know it is, I've seen videos on it, but it's all plug and play. So let's see how bad I can screw this up today, huh? That wasn't too bad. It was actually easy after watching a couple of videos, but all it was what it was 3 bolts up here that hold the windshield in, and those were T25s. And on the inside there was one here, and then one on the other side, which was what was it, a 3/8, I believe? No, I'm sorry, my bad. T27, what am I talking about? Then the light bar, this mounted here to get out of the way. That was the big dog T40, I believe. I used T40. So this just drops down out of the way. And then the fairing pops off, unplug the headlight, and there she sits. All right, let's see if we can get some more trouble. Well, I got the amp mounted, and surprisingly, obviously my bike comes with a CB, and the instructions explicitly state mount the amp on top of the CD, and it will be half on, half off, but the supplied Velcro and sticky tape will hold it. So clean the crap out of the top of the radio and the bottom of the amp with alcohol. Make sure there's nothing on there, and she ain't moving. Then pulled one of the speakers out. Let's just compare factory to aftermarket. Factory, made in China. And then there's the Hog Tunes. All right, well, let's start putting those in now. Well, I got it all put back together. I didn't get it on video. I mean, if there's a gazillion videos online how to take this fairing off and everything. It's literally plug and play. The power wire for the amp is literally right here. Runs up, pop this thing up, goes under, goes to the battery. Really easy install. The only problem I had, this is kind of, I didn't look, maybe there's a trick to it. It probably took me an hour and a half with the new damn battery and putting the screws in the post, because it has this little damn block in here, and it comes with 2 screws, a long one and a short one. The short one is too short because I'm hooking up, the cable for the bike, the tuner, the phone charger, and now the amp, and the same thing on the negative terminal. And the long screw is too long, but it comes with these spacers. So I actually had to grind the spacer down, and then it worked. But that was dicking with it for about an hour and a half. But I will tell you, it is a hell of a lot louder. Took it for a quick spin. If you want, shoot me a comment. I'll fire this thing up and turn the radio on so you can hear it. I'm shooting this on an iPhone. It's not going to do it any justice, but I can tell you, can't really hear the bike anymore with this thing full go. So definitely happy with it. So yeah, if you have any questions or anything, let me know. If not, like, subscribe. Have a good day.